Hello and welcome. It is the second day of November 2019. First, let's take a look at Bitcoin Cash, all bets trades of the like within each his own risk and their own reward. 15-minute time frame. When did this happen? The afternoon of November 1st, yesterday afternoon. Price action 29.77. This high 31.59. Okay, so that's a differential of like not much, 7% or something, but 7% still 7% over a very short period of time. When we look at this on other time frames, single hour, we got this low of even lower of 27 and a high of 32. So now we're looking at like almost 20% volatility. But what has happened as far as price action is the key low, key high. This is so far the empty space that it is filled. Now it's filling empty space on the other end. It's so far gotten up to here. So is this a successful correction so far? Well, so far it looks like it is. But the reason why I'm showing it is because I do feel that as this moves forward, this has got probabilities to go higher on the daily chart. This is what I like about it. It comes up to this level of resistance and then back to support. So far for a few days has been holding and staying above there, which is nice, staying within the 18 average of highs. And today's session having, I like how it's like exiting, leaving from this point. So to me, we've had a lot of resistance in here. This gives me the idea that it's another opportunity and a good probability to fill some more of this empty space. Maybe it can even come up to this previous level of previous support. But I do like its setup moving forward. Also, the setup I like is Cosmos. It's up 4.6%. And these lines do not represent Fibonacci, they represent the key lows. This one, this one, this one, this one. There isn't one here at the 17, 18 handle. But we can see that it had a lot of resistance and support within these two lines so far. And we've been supporting it for quite some time. It got up there for a second time on October the 5th and has been holding and staying above it ever since. Along the way, it has established a lot of resistance from where we stand now at 3,700 all the way up to that of 39.76. Yesterday's session, after leaving that line for so many days in here, it exited on above in here, and yesterday's day was just a pause situation. We have a little bit of continuation exiting of this. So to me, it looks like this thing might be poised to come back up and come to the break, pierce above 47. I wouldn't be surprised if we see this anywhere near or somewhere near 5,000, somewhere in the 48s, 49s, very, very quickly. At least the probability odds is telling me that there should be a decent chance for such a case to occur within this market on the single hour term time frame. After coming up to this level on Halloween afternoon, it has done very well and successfully correcting it within the 18. We can see as it was getting above it last night at 2200 hours, it has been doing magnificent. It got out above it at 7 o'clock this morning, retested the previous high. Since then, it did not support where we came from. That would have been coming down to 36. Rather, it supported another 1% higher than that at around 36.40. And it has been about 4 or 5 or so periods just hanging in there within the 18 average of highs. But after this nice green candle on the 1700-hour timestamp, nice movements from this point going forward. So to me, this thing looks poised and ready ASAP at any time to break above this level of resistance. And going up next, again, I wouldn't be surprised if we go up to this 4,000 area and then breaking out above that, as I'm mentioning. I wouldn't be surprised if we go up another 800 points from 4,000 to the 48. Well, of course, what happens happens, and as a trader, all you can do, I believe, the best thing you do is manage your risk and rewards situation. Understand the numbers the best you can. Understand the situations of everything that comes into life, because those who can understand and react to situations the best are going to do the best. So whenever you're in. So for markets, the situation might be a market gets its ass kicked or is just kicking ass. Okay, well, how do you react to that situation? Thank you for tuning in. Have yourself a great day. Bye bye.